Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time coming across my channel, hi, my name is Tamika and we get into all things fashion, makeup, beauty, lifestyle, all that good stuff, but hashtag affordable because I'm all about affordability. And if that is something that you guys are interested in, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also, don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you are notified when I do upload a new video, and let's hop right into it. So as you can tell by the title, we are going to be doing something a little bit different today. It is still within the beauty realm of things, but we're going into nails, like manicures. To be completely honest, since everything has opened back up with this whole pandemic that we have going on, I have not been back to the nail salon. I'm kind of nervous about going back to the nail salon, and since they had closed in the beginning of all of this, I grew my nails out and I just figured, you know what, I'm just gonna start doing my nails myself. I used to love doing my nails back in the day, like when I was in like high school and like in college and stuff. I used to love doing my own nails, like from buying all the toolkits online, buying a UV lamp. I used to buy marble paper. I used to buy, I forgot what those things were called, but they were like little rolls. It was like, I don't want to say Play-Doh, but they were, if I can find it, I'll pop up a picture, but they were like little sticks of like dough that you would slice really thinly, and inside the sticks would be like a type of design, and you could just slice them really thinly and stick them on your nails, like all that type of cool stuff I would be so into. But then I just kind of like grew out of that, and I felt like doing my own nails was a chore, and I just never did my nails again. So I just felt like it was easier going to get my nails done, and it was a lot more fun doing that as well. With all of this going on, I just stopped doing my nails, or just stopped going to get my nails done, and decided just have a little bit more fun and just get back into doing your own nails, because remember, it was fun at one point. So with that being said, I bought like a couple new nail polishes. I wanted to bring you guys a video of that. I actually bought Kathleen's, if you guys don't know who Kathleen Lights is, I'll go ahead and link her channel down below, but she also has a Lights Lacquer nail polish brand, and I did buy her nudes collection that came out a couple months ago. Haven't used that yet. I definitely wanted to come and bring you guys a video on that, but obviously that hasn't happened. Nail polish can sometimes be a little bit tricky because not everybody can paint within the lines. It doesn't always come out as neat as we want to, so there is another option. So in today's video, we are going to be diving into these nail stickers. So now these are called Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Nail Stickers. I have 5 packs here. I've got these over the past like 3 months and I still haven't used them yet, so I figured, you know what, I'm just gonna chill and do some of the things that I haven't gotten able to because everything with work has been so crazy. But we're gonna go ahead and try these out. Instead of it being nail polish, it's actually gel, and it has like a nice high gloss finish to it. And like I said, I have 5 colors or shades or whatever you want to call it. We have this one right here, which is called Glitter Glamour, Modern Matter, Feeling Flush, Crystal Clear, and last but not least, we have Blue Vixen. So I picked these up at my local Target. They were $6.99 each. And like I said, I got these over the past couple of months, so I didn't buy them all at once. All right, so we're just gonna hop right into it. This video is just gonna show you how to put them on. Let's hop right into the application process. All right, guys, so as you can see, we are starting off with bare, clean nails, and we're just gonna hop right into it. So I have here a couple of colors, like I said, and I have some that are already open because I did my nails before. All right, so I think we're gonna stay in this color palette today. Depending on how I feel, I may jump into some of these that I've already used, but we're not sure yet. So in each packet, you get your nail strips. This is just a blank sticker thing here. We have instructions on how to apply, and then we also have the nail file, which is going to help us with the application process and also to file our nails afterwards. So here is what this one looks like, and this is the Blue Vixen color palette. All right, so first you want to go ahead and spend a really long time trying to decide what kind of color scheme you want to go with. So I think we are going to stick with the blue and just add some accent pieces here and there. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and get started. So first off, I'm going to start with the blue. You want to use this to kind of measure on your nails to see which one might fit the best. And like I said, my nail beds are fairly wide, so the biggest size is obviously going to be the better fit for my thumb. So we're just going to go ahead in with this blue like so. go ahead and try to get this as close as possible to the cuticle. Alright, so I kind of have it on there, and then from there I'm just going to stretch and pull. Press this down. And what I'm doing this time is trying to make this fit across my entire nails. Now these, as you can see, stretch very nicely. So I am stretching it across the sides of my nails this way. I'm also stretching it this way so it covers better. And I'm just gonna keep pulling that. This one I need to stretch some more. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna keep on pulling that and pressing down until we kind of have it over our nail like this. And now I had an issue last time when I went to file it, it kind of shrunk. So I think what I'm gonna do is cut this a little bit longer this time, so if it shrinks, it'll kind of still stay on my nail bed. Now going in with the nail file, as you can see, there is a pink side and there's also a white side. You want to go in with the white side to file off the edge. It says you want to file in a single direction. Okay, so as you can see, we have the first one done, but we still have that issue, and I don't know why that is. I don't know how to fix that. Is my nail too long? I'm not sure. Then with the pink side, you want to go in and just smooth it out. So as you can see, I'm having the same issue again. I honestly think it's because how thick it is. It shrinks back, so no matter how much you stretch it out, it's gonna shrink. So I think what I'm gonna do, I actually don't even know what to do. This is stressing me out. I'm gonna take it off. Alright guys, so here we have this completed new set using the Dashing Diva's gloss nail strips. I really like the color combination. I really like the glitter. The glitter one is actually my favorite. I feel like it's easier to camouflage. I love the gradient detail that it has. And I really love the designs in each of these color combos. But yeah, so these are my nails, and as you can see, from far away, they look pretty nice. I like the color combo that I went with. The only thing, as you can see, once again, it's not completely covering my nail. I have no idea why it's doing that. My nails are just too big and too wide, so anything that I try to put on them that is just not regular nail polish doesn't quite fit. So for the most part, I'm really kind of just bummed out because, like I said, the colors, the color palettes, everything is just really nice about this company. That's why I went ahead and picked it up, because they had so many different styles, designs, colors, and it just looked really fun and really cute. But the outcome, I just don't know. Maybe it's user error. Maybe I don't know. You tell me down below. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. But it was really frustrating, especially this time around. I thought I would have a curve to understanding it better, and maybe not making this situation happen again. And even though it happened on a bunch of them, I kind of gotten it a little better, especially with this hand. It started off with all blue, and then I took it off because they were all shrinking back again. So I went in with the gold, or with the glitter, and as you can see, this hand came out a lot better with coming more towards the ends. I actually went in and shortened my natural nail, so that's a bummer too, because I didn't want to have to shorten my nails to work for the product, because that doesn't make any sense. So as you can see, a little bit of the side-by-side difference. It comes more to the ends better this way than on this side, and I was not gonna file down my nails anymore. I'm just gonna live with it. I might just take it off after this video, to be honest, because I'm a little bit upset. I do have Color Street. So if you guys are familiar with Color Street, it's basically the same thing, but Color Street is actually nail polish. And I do have those to try, so I might go ahead and try those out. And yeah, so these are my completed nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join this little but growing family, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.